Sam Mack is in Mildura. Beautiful sunrise there too.
Oh, this is going to be a cracker. Good morning, Nat. Good morning, everyone. And we're giving you a sneak peek of the Trail of Lights. Have a look over here. Over 12,000 lights. You walk through this area amongst the beautiful trees and the Murray River. It's absolutely beautiful. There's already a boat out on the Murray River over there. It's all happening here in Mildura this morning. We've got a lot more still to come. The sunrise is going to be really special, but let's do a check of your weather.
Sunrise weather, brought to you by Beacon. Right now, Beacon VIPs get 40% off any second item. Sign up now and save 40% on any second item. Sale ends Sunday.
Rain for Brisbane, 26. Sydney, partly cloudy, 27. Canberra, partly cloudy, 30 degrees. Melbourne, cloudy and 22. Hobart, partly cloudy, also 22. Adelaide, sunny, 32. Perth, sunny and 38. Darwin, showers, possible storm and 30 degrees. It officially opens next week on the 4th of April, but we're giving you a little taste of the beautiful setup here in Mildura this morning. We'll have more soon. Special guest joining us as well, but for now, over to you, Nat.
Thank you, Sam.